fellow governors and mayors, this is very important in reference to people blocking me from my mother and father's mansions. Those people must be charged for loitering and illegal soliciting of them working with people that are conspiring against me. And these satellite controllers must be charged for their voyeurism of spying on me and hitting me in the face and teeth millions of times. You know, the seconds, there's 86,000 plus seconds in a day. And these people have been on my face, burning my teeth and face for millions of seconds over the past 20 years, man. So that counts as multi-millions of abuse. And in reference to the people that are blocking me from my trust funds or people blocking me from my mother and father's mansions, those people have to get arrested. And somebody might say, well, what if it's one of the neighbors? Well, there's property lines. There's all kinds of neighbors in this country that live next to people they don't like. I'm the owner of my mother and father's mansions, and my father or mother possibly owned that whole neighborhood or a certain large land in certain areas that people are blocking me from. Reference to mansions that my mother and father had on big lots of land and private property. So in reference to people blocking me from Beverly Hills or my mother and father's mansions, I need everybody's name on a list, man. And I don't know if the Beverly Hills Council needs to be reevaluated or people fired from there. But I'm supposed to be at my mother and father's mansions. I don't know which people are doing what, you know, so I haven't received the letters, haven't received the information. So in reference to anybody's tricks, anybody's trying to play their tomfoolery game, people blocking me from my mother and father's mansions, people have to get arrested. You're only allowed to control things on your own property. You're not allowed to control things on other people's property, man. Make sure you understand what laws mean and deeds laws. Role protocol, my identity's in the media 24 hours a day. This is a first world country. So if any Middle Eastern person came into this country and tried to control people's lives or tried to steal estates from their third world country that they came from, your country over there is over there. You don't have a right trying to control land and property that I'm the owner of, man. You don't have no right trying to steal anything that I'm the owner of, and you must go to court. I didn't sell none of the studios. Not never. Not ever going to. Not never. Nothing's ever for sale. My parents got murdered. Anybody trying to bully me is a suspect. Anybody trying to attack me is a suspect. Anybody causing me physical injury is a suspect. And attempts of murder. And it even says that on a state law and treasury laws and Supreme Court protection laws that you people are violating, whoever you satellite controllers are. People must go into court and they must get prosecuted.